Hello viewers, in today's video we are going to see how to transfer logins and passwords between instances of the SQL Server. Here we having two servers, server A and server B. After moving databases from the instance of server A to instance of server B, users might be unable to log into the databases on server B. They might have this error login failed for the particular user and this error message will pop up. To resolve this issue, we have to migrate or transfer logins from server A to server B. We have two methods. Method 1, resetting the resetting the password at server B. So if we have only one or two logins, we can easily reset the password. What if I have a bunch of logins like more than 50, more than 100? We cannot do that. For that, we can follow the method 2. Method 2, transferring logins and passwords to the destination server, known as server B. Using the script on the source server, server A, we have to create a stored procedure. For the stored procedure, I have given the script in the description. You have to run the script in SSMS. Copy the script and run in the new query. You will get a message called command successfully completed. After that, after running this rev logins query, you will get an output like entire logins and their passwords, which are present in the server A. You have to only copy this logins and passwords and need to run in the server B. You have to connect to the server B, open SSMS, copy copy entire logins and passwords from the server A and you have to run in server B. You will get like command successful. Then that's the final step. You have successfully transferred the logins from server A to server B. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.